Today's video is about making money online watching videos. Is it possible? Making money online by watching videos sounds like a dream. But dreams do come true. Many people are already earning cash by watching videos. And if they can do it, you can too. Below are some ways on how to turn this dream into reality. Hey, welcome back to the Cashflow X-File channel, the channel that brings you the best ideas about how to make money online. If you're new here, consider subscribing. I upload videos every week, so make sure you don't lose any chance making of money online. Plus, after you do that, leave a comment below saying that I subscribed. I will make sure to answer every one of you. And make sure you stay till the end. You don't want to lose any important news that could make you a little bit richer. Write subtitles for videos. Video content creators are always looking for people who can write subtitles for their creations. Writing subtitles can be time-consuming, so most video makers choose to outsource the work to freelancers. Subtitles are useful because they help videos to become more accessible to people with hearing loss. Subtitles also serve as a transcript of videos. You can find subtitle writing jobs on job posting websites. You can also post an ad saying that you accept subtitle writing jobs. You can check out the rates of other freelancers to get an idea of how much you should charge. Use Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a website that gives you rewards for surfing the web, completing surveys, and, yes, by watching videos. The videos that you'll be required to watch will usually be in the form of ads, news videos, and short viral videos. You probably won't get rich with Swagbucks, but you'll be able to make easy money, even if it's not going to be a lot. And a little money is still money, plus you probably already watch tons of videos every day without getting paid for it. You can use Swagbuck with other money-making methods. Write movie reviews. Do you like to watch movies? Are you opinionated when it comes to the movies you've seen? Then you can make money from your passion by writing movie reviews. Of course, you can't expect to write a few reviews and already reach the level of Roger Ebert. The field of writing movie reviews can be quite competitive, and you really need to work hard if you want to succeed in it. And if you can't find work as a movie reviewer, then one of the things you can do is to set up your own movie review blog and then post your reviews there. Sign up for iRazu. An easier way to make money from your love of movies is through iRazu. The website allows you to make money by watching movie trailers. There are other ways to make money with iRazu, like by answering surveys and by playing video games. You earn points when you do a task, and when you reach 3,000 points, you get a reward. You get 500 points just by signing up. Sign up for Inbox Pounds. Just like Swagbucks, Inbox Pounds allows you to make money by doing simple tasks such as taking surveys or watching videos. And just like in Swagbucks, the amount of money that you can earn in Inbox Pounds is limited. But if you have the time, then you can do several tasks in a day, and that will allow you to make more money. Don't you think it's a good enough deal to get paid for reading email or even just to browse the web? Guys, thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you on my next video, so make sure you subscribe to get notified when that happened.